we skip to the good part.
Looking to experience luxury and a unique lifestyle in Dubai Creek Harbour? Welcome to your dream escape, a 2-story, 4-bedroom penthouse with a maid's room, designed for unforgettable moments and total comfort. From the moment you walk in, you're greeted by breathtaking views, soaring ceilings, and elegant interiors flooded with natural light. Every corner of this space is crafted to impress, from the fully equipped modern kitchen, to the spa-inspired bathrooms, and a master suite that feels like a 5-star hotel. Enjoy world-class amenities, a rooftop pool, a state-of-the-art gym, relaxing lounges, and more, all just steps away from your private sanctuary. This is more than a stay, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're here with family, friends, or on a solo getaway, Osac Holiday Homes has everything you need for the perfect Dubai experience. Booking your dream vacation home has never been easier. Our expert team is ready to assist you every step of the way. And with 24/7 customer support, you'll enjoy peace of mind from check-in to check-out. Coming to Dubai? Don't just visit, live the luxury with Osac Holiday Homes.
Close your eyes.